Good day everyone, I'm Mary Claire Cardino. Today we're going to present our code. Welcome to the Pizza Ordering System, a Java-based graphical user interface application designed to simulate a pizza ordering experience. This system allows users to select their preferred pizza flavor, size, and add-ons, and then calculates the total price of their order. The system also provides an option for customers to enter their payment amount and then calculates the change. This project is a comprehensive implementation of object-oriented programming concepts in Java, featuring a user-friendly GUI or graphical user interface with various components such as radio buttons, checkboxes, text fields, and labels. The system utilizes event listeners to handle user input and updates the order summary and price label accordingly. The code consists of several key methods including create order, which generates the order summary, compute price, which calculates the total price of the order, and compute change, which determines the change due to the customer's payment. In this presentation, we will walk you through the code, highlighting its key features and how it implements various Java programming concepts. So let's start with this code. So the pizza prices array is a two-dimensional array where each inner array represents the prices of the sizes of pizza. There are three flavors of pizza, which is Hawaiian, ham and cheese, and pepperoni. Each inner array contains three values, which are the prices for small, medium, and large sizes of the corresponding pizza flavors. So the add-on prices array is a one-dimensional array which contains the prices of various add-ons that can be added to the pizza. There are 5 add-ons with corresponding prices, which is yung pepper, $5 and $10, $15, $20, and $25.
Components for flavor selection, label for flavor selection, displays the text select flavor, radio buttons for pizza flavors, 3 radio buttons for selecting pizza flavors, Hawaiian, ham and cheese, and pepperoni. Group flavor radio buttons ensures only one flavor can be selected at a time.
Placing a pizza order. One of the crucial steps is selecting the pizza size. This choice is often facilitated by a set of radio buttons representing different size options such as small, medium, large, and extra large. Once the customer makes a selection, the system needs to verify which size radio button has been chosen. After identifying the selected size, the system then appends this information to the order summary. This ensures that the order is accurately recorded and can be prepared according to the customer's preference. For instance, if a customer opts for a large pizza by selecting the corresponding radio button, the backend logic captures this selection and updates the order summary to reflect a large pizza. This step is crucial as directly affects the preparation process, including the amount of dough, cheese, and other ingredients needed. Additionally, the cost of the pizza is often tied to its size, so ensuring the correct size is appended to the order summary also helps us calculating the final price accurately.
Good day, I am Lucy Jane Johnson and I'm here to discuss the components of add-on selection. So, add-on selection consists of JLabel, CHK. So, ayun po, we use label po to instruct the customers to select add-ons. And for CHK or checkboxes, used for add-ons, it is used for customer to choose additional toppings from check boxes such as pepper, onions, black olives, green peppers, and extra cheese. So, Next component is the create order button. So we use J button for customers to use to generate a order. So next component, generate an order. So next component is the order summary. So order summary, we also use J label and text fields for customers to enter their payments to display the change in order summary. Next component is, so ganun din po sa payment and change. We use JLabel din po. So sa compute button naman po, we also use J button. Yan. Para po yung mga for sellers po to compute yung order ng customer. So next is adding action listeners. We add action listeners po to handle button clicks para po sa pag-create ng order and sa pag-compute ng change. So next, another action listeners po for updating the price label when selection changes.
When the selected pizza flavor, this code checks which flavor radio button is selected and appends the corresponding flavor to the order summary.
Components for size selection. Label for size selection. It display the text, select size. Then radio buttons for sizes. 3 radio buttons for different pizza sizes, small, medium to large. Then group size radio buttons. Group the size radio buttons so only can be deselected at a time.
So next component is the summary.append add-ons. So the code checks which add-on checkboxes are selected and appends the corresponding add-ons to the order summary. So each add-on has a comment indicating its price, though the price po is not visible po dito sa code. Next component po, yung makikita nyo sa line 244, double total price. So yan. It computes po the total price na naka-append and it appends po, ina-append niya po ito sa order summary. So yung next component po is yung set the order summary text sa line 247. So this line po is nagsiset na ma-build yung summary text to the text area para po ma-display yung mga order ng customer. So this method po is to ensure all aspects ng order ng customer such as flavor ng pizza, sizes, and yung mga add-ons, and yung total price na naka-input sa line 244, which is makikita nyo na naka-display na siya sa order summary.
So, the purpose of compute price method calculates the total price of the pizza order based on the user's selections. So, the method overview, it initializes a price variable to 0.0 which will store the total price of the order. It determines the index of the selected pizza, flavor, and size using nested if-else statements. If a flavor and size are selected, it adds the corresponding price to the price variable from the pizza prices array. It then checks if any add-ons are selected and adds their prices to the price variable from the add-ons prices array. Then it returns the calculated price. So, yung variable na flavor index, an integer that stores the index of the selected pizza flavor, 0, 1, or 2, size index, and the integer that stores the index of the selected pizza size 0, 1, and 2. Price, a double that stores the total price of the order, Then pizza prices, a two-dimensional array that stores the prices of each pizza flavor and size. Add-on prices, an array that stores the prices of each add-on. So the purpose of the update price label method, it updates the price label with the calculated price of the pizza order. So the method overview, it calls the compute price method to calculate the total price of the order. It formats the calculated price as a string with two decimal places using string format. It sets the text of the LBL price label with the formatted price string. The purpose of compute change method, it calculates the change due to the customer after they enter their payment amount. So the method overview, it attempts to parse the text in the payment text field, which is yung text payment, as a double value using double parse double. If the parsing is successful, it calculates the total price of the order using compute price. It calculates the change by subtracting the total price from the payment amount. It formats the change as a string with two decimal places using string format. It sets the text of the LBL change label with a formatted change string. If an exception occurs during parsing, during if an exception occurs during parsing, it sets the text of the LBL change label to invalid payment.
So, kapag na-input na po natin lahat yung code, and iraran na po natin. So, makikita niyo po dito yung select flavor, tas yung mga RDO Hawaiian, ham and cheese, pepperoni, small size, medium size, large size, and yung sa add-ons, yung CHK, yung mga checkbox, yung pepper, onions, black olives, green peppers, extra cheese. Tsaka po din yung yan yung sa order summary, yung TXE na in-input natin sa code. And yung BTN create order, yung LBL small price, LBL medium price, LBL large price. So, that's all po. Thank you.